The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, guys. Very, very good Friday morning, fellas. Guys, can I get a sound check? Sound good? All right. Now let's go to I don't know. Thank you, fellas. Appreciate it, Dennis. Morning, guys. Guys, today is Friday. It is February 3rd. Morning, Wayne. Thank you, brother. Michael, good morning. John. Yeah. Must be all that sleep I got last night. I have a voice for radio, right? Guys, we have non-farm payrolls coming up at 8:30. So we will not do any trades prior to 8:30. I put a message in member Skype. I have turned my bots off until after. Good morning, Nolan. Non-farm payroll. So as I do every morning, let's take a look at bots. ES bot is up 400. ES took a trade. So we had a long here at 627. Targets were hit up 400. Crude took this trade here at 744. I had already turned my bots off. It's almost a first target. If I miss a trade, I miss a trade. No big deal. NASDAQ is up 625. NASDAQ took, we had a winning short, a winning long. This is the same trade, guys. For those of you that are on trial, that's the original signal short, and it gave a subsequent short signal, but failed. We had another winning trade, another winning trade, and that's where we're at, guys. NASDAQ is up 625. Ain't nobody's bot does this. YM had one trade this morning. Targets hit. It's up 250. And I have made one alteration. I have swapped out natural gas for gold. So I'm running a gold bot instead of natural gas. Natural gas just isn't making any money. It's been really slow. We had one trade here on gold. 632. Target one was hit for 20 ticks, not quite to target two. So this is up $400 at the moment, pending the conclusion of this trade. Worst case scenario, gold will be up 410 because it's break even plus one. Best case scenario, it'll be up $800 at the conclusion of this trade. So currently we are 650, 13, about $1,700 in the green. Let me quickly read the disclaimer. We'll look at some charts, which are going to get probably obliterated on the news anyways. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation or an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance. All right, guys. Jack. Anybody do multiple accounts? Everybody's one, right? Ryan got one as well. Michael got one. Guys, everybody should have gotten one. John got another. I think that's 2 for you this week, isn't it, John? John got one. Earl funded 2. Andrew got one. All right, Andrew. Jonathan got one. Oh. Arjan funded 4. You funded 1, Harold? Nice. Got a trial member that funded 1, guys. That's always a good thing. Morning, Hubba. Eddie. Golly. Doug funded 2. I think he was joking, Ryan. So you funded 6 of them, Patrick? Is that what you're saying? On the trade copier? All right, guys. 14 funded account. Okay, no. 14 funded accounts today, guys. So the first day of the week was what? Today is Friday the 3rd, 2nd, Wednesday the 1st, the 30th. So here's what we've done this week. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 28 funded accounts this week, guys. 28 funded accounts this week so far as a group. Or 28 members funded. No, there is no more major news today. I'm not interested in gold long, so let me see where this can go. Let me go to a smaller time frame. 15-minute. It's brutal. Go to a 5. Target 1 filled on gold. Target 1 filled on gold. Oh, ISM services at 10. That's not going to rock the market. Not at all. Gold is breaking support. I would try a gold long, guys. At that, ES is now short on the bot. I would try a gold long if we come down to 1900. That's a, did that hit target? No, missed. All right, gold bot is up $1,210 today. I can plug and play, baby. Plug and play. Take off natural gas, go to gold, and makes money. Yes. Took a loss. I'm gonna buy one at 1900, guys. I have support there. If it doesn't bounce, I'll kill it. Now they come down. Now they come down. Nasdaq. All right. Nasdaq got target one on the bot. Are you kidding me? Look at this, fellas. Came to 3.3. Jeepers criminal. I missed by 2 ticks. Missed by 2 freaking ticks. I can't get any closer than that. Yeah, I may still take that. Yeah, I'll still take that. They're buying gold, believe it or not. They're buying it. We have a positive delta of 480 contracts. We were down to 300. There's buyers 500. They're buying gold. Doesn't mean they don't flush it and I'm dead wrong, but I have to buy. I'm gonna buy. YM just got both targets on the bot, guys. Here's the trade. Both targets now up 25 bucks. Was up, went down on that losing trade, now back up. Not going to get gold. You sucker. 2 ticks. 2 ticks. Come on. You can cancel that. We missed a nice trade by 2 ticks, fellas. All right, let me take a look at NASDAQ. NASDAQ, guys, is headed to 84, 584. If you guys want to take a NASDAQ short, it's headed to 584. Let me just see where I can get in. That's a 60 minute. I don't need that. Let me go to a 15-minute bar and see what we look like. Yeah, shit. 5-minute bar. Right, you can short NASDAQ. Short NASDAQ, guys. I'm going to be short NASDAQ in a second here if I can get my damn Dom. Come on, move. Next. All right, I'm going to sell 3 in a second. All right, I'm short 3 MNQs. There we go. New bar. Something about an alleged weather balloon in China. They got they say it's a weather balloon. Rumor is it's a spy balloon, and Biden was told not to shoot it down. Hey, good morning, Greg. Don't know if any of that is true or not. All right, this is target 1 here at 7. And we already bounced before I could get to 1 contract. Target 1 at 7. My Dom is frozen. Nice. That's always a joy. I'll take 1 off at 7, which it already hit. No, it did not. It hit 8. It's over my, yeah, I did read that. It's over Montana. Come on, break down one more time. I want 7 for target 1. All right, got out at 7. I want another one off at 95. And then final target at 82. Right at the day low. Okay. So 95 is next target, fellas. Up to 1,800 sellers holding a small buy zone in here, which I have no interest in. What about GC? Oh, did it hit my 1,900? Yep. It bled through about 15 ticks. I like the long at 1,900 if you took it. Yeah, we're getting a bounce here. All right, I'm flat. There are no buyers here, guys. You can short 23, which I think I just missed. It went to 28, yeah. Now here's my 95 target. There it is now. 95 target hit. 23 was the short on the pullback. You can try to trade this. If you got anybody that's running NASDAQ, you can try to trade this down to yesterday's low at 501. All right, gold. Hang on, guys. Let me look at gold. Nah, they're bleeding them out pretty good. Let me see where gold can come. I got to go back out, guys, to bigger time frames. So sit tight for a second. Let's see here. Some support at 96.4. 96.4 on gold. It came to 97.3. All right. There we go. There's our 15th of the day. 3 today. All right, guys. 96.4. I'm pending one at 96.4. It's a mini, not a micro, so stop is 15 ticks. If it blows through, it's 150 bucks. I got 40 in the bank. I'll be down $110. Oh, you're going to hold that bottom? I guess it is. Got 8 sellers here. Now 4. Have block seller here. You dog. Sold them again here at 97.3. They're having a hell of a time trying to push this much lower. And I do have some support at this 96.34 area. Stack sellers, guys. Block trades. All right. Something got target. Okay, bounce. If this gets back above 97.4, it can go a mile. Come on. No buyers yet. Only small sellers, 180. Not bouncing off support. There it goes. 97.4 has to click. 97.4, above that 97.4, and we'll get that target. Just like that. Just like that. We get above 1900 and this can rip. You guys good? You guys good? 1900 is going to be a hurdle. You got a big seller here, but above 19, buyers are back in, guys. Anybody take the trade? Okay, Earl. Okay, Arjan. We got our target, guys, based on the settings that I sent you guys. You're welcome, fellas. Up 66 bucks on the NQ Microbot. Nice. Nice. Up 500 on third account. Nice. Where I didn't post them on the website, Patrick. Anybody that's in the funded trader group, I have sent 2 emails to, which are the settings that we should use. Well, for each instrument I trade. If you want the settings, just send me an email. Yeah, I would agree with that, Paul. Absolutely. All right, gold went long now on the bot. If this goes up and gets these targets, guys, I'm definitely shutting gold bot off. I mean, this thing will be up $2,000. Hits target to the tick and doesn't fill it. Target filled. Guys, this is off that damn level, 96.3. I think we took 1 freaking tick of heat on that. 1 freaking tick. Look, fellas, I'll show you. This was the level we bought right here. Boom chakalaka, man. Okay, target one. It's up 1,600. I can't give out the settings, guys, for the gold bot. They're confidential. You guys don't want to make any money. It's too profitable. Of course, you guys can have the settings. Yes. Yes, you guys can have the settings. Guys, I just built that bot today. I got Friday jokes. That's right. That's right. That's right. I just built this bot today, guys. These settings are not in the member area. I built it this morning. I played with settings for about an hour. I told you guys yesterday I was getting rid of that damned natural gas. It wasn't making any money. I'm going to give you guys the settings. You guys, listen. The only reason I do all that work is for you guys, not me. Guys, please don't email me for the settings. Please. Please don't email me. I'm not going to respond. I want you guys to put yourselves in my shoes. I have 900 users of the robot. Could you fathom if 900 people sent me emails? I didn't bring anything on myself. They will be in the member area where they go, and you guys, and I will tell you when they're there. I know, Dennis. That's what prompted my comment. So I just deleted your email. I'm not going to respond to 900 people, guys. It would be impossible. Even if I did copy and paste, I just put them in the member area. Come on, yes, don't be a chooch. Thank you, John. Guys, breakfast break. She's a coming. Man. Listen, when I go, here we come. Let's come on. Come get target. Don't be a chooch. Bots will not take any more trades, guys. It's 9 o'clock. The only bot that may is crude. Let me look at crude because I leave it on. Crude got all the way up to that 76.65 level, 240-minute resistance. Yeah. Hey, Randy and Sue. Yeah, I can't take time off, guys. You know that. I'm a workaholic, fellas. My wife keeps wanting to go to Hawaii, and I'm like, let me know when you want to go. I'll buy you a ticket. Nobody's laughing. You guys are tough. Oh, congratulations, Chris. If it were in Montana, I'd come. There's no trout in Hawaii, so no interest. Come on, ES, let's go get target. Guys, anybody have any questions before I take my breakfast break here, fellas? We have 3 members that live in Hawaii. Bob? We have 3. You'll run the room for me? All right, I'm out of here, man. Guys, I'm turning the calls over to one of the members. Some of your numbers at the end of the day. I'm gone fishing. All right, fellas. I'll leave this up. I am going to breakfast. I'll be back in 20 minutes. today's expiration. All right, guys. Let's see where the hell we are. Going through resistance. Small buyers. All right, I'm going to short. God dang it. Come on, give me the Dom. It's frozen. Hang on, guys. Yeah, dollar is rising. My micro Dom is frozen, which is annoying as all hell. All right, guys, we're going back up to what looks like VWAP. We get above 12. This is an area I'm lagging. We're at 23. I'm lagging on Ninja. The short is around 640, 630 to 40. Anybody buy Microsoft calls? YM was long on the bot, got target one only. And I still have a frozen Dom. Guys, I'm showing us rising on a very strong net negative delta. I mean, it's really goofy here. Okay, I mean, really goofy here. Now we're pulling back. We didn't get to 40. We got 39. It'd be a lot easier. Let's see here if that's accurate now. 32.15 now. I'm lagging still. We're at 09. My Dom is correct. My charts are incorrect. My Dom is correct. My charts are incorrect. Coming down, fellas. Totally pisses me off with Ninja, guys. ES is a short at 54, 55. It is currently 49. I'll sell one ES at 54 if it gets there. NASDAQ, I really want 40. Let me see if I've caught up here. 18, 19. Yeah, I think I'm caught up now. 23. ES did not get there. Short NASDAQ 08. Short NASDAQ 08. Target one hit and filled. And you should have gotten both targets, fellas. And I still have a frozen Dom. I have one Dom that works. My micro Dom does not work. 57, you got to be short, guys. 5,700 freaking net sellers. All they're doing is burying this. How the hell we're up here, I have no idea. I seriously do not. YM bot long. I mean, all they're doing is This is both targets hit and filled. All right, Rich, see ya. Got 400 buyers in this 3-minute bar. Now above VWAP. Resistance is right here at 49.50. I'll sell 50 if it comes back up there. That zone goes all the way to 62. It's not even close. ES. Anybody keep that damn trade on, guys, and sell 54? You got target on that too. Anybody sell 54 on the ES? I should have just left it. Okay, you got your target if you're using the settings that I gave you guys. NASDAQ is schizophrenic stupid. Finally got that micro bot working. Okay, let me get rid of this for a sec. There we go. ES long on the bot. Target 1, target 2 filled. YM long on the bot again. We're up 15.95 on the ES bot. I'm gonna fucking Donna's frozen again. God. NASDAQ's a short in this area, guys. This is, there we go. I shorted 2. I'm sorry, 4. Need this to break down below 33. We got 80 buyers here, guys. Nothing. Pushing VWAP above VWAP. Come on, fail. I'll take the small loss here in a second. Come on. Need to break down below 34. There we go. Come on, dog. Target number 1 is 29. I got it. That sucks. I could. NASDAQ long on the bot again. Both targets filled. All right. I'm frozen again. This is no way to trade, fellas. No way to trade with Ninja or Apex. No way to trade. It's just, it's unconscionable. ES, if we get back above 41.60, we can trade 41.70. Frozen again. Yeah, it's terrible, man. It really is terrible. Seriously. It's terrible. President Biden going to speak at 10:15 on the jobs report. Anybody that may have purchased, if you bought Microsoft calls, start scaling out. Okay? Where the hell is my micros? Nice job, Amin. Yeah, this is just crude is frozen. Let me look at gold and crude. Crude took off again into that 240-minute resistance. Let me go down to a smaller time frame. My chart is locked anyways. Crude. Yeah, crude has a ways to go, fellas. All right, sold half your Microsoft. Nice. Making money, guys. Making money. I'm going to short NASDAQ, fellas. I'm going to short NASDAQ. Nice fill. $700 sellers here. I'd like to get target one down at 41. This looks like it wants to go again. NASDAQ bots long. This can go to 725. Come on. If this thing slows down, I'll trade minis. Come on down, dog. Guys, we have 5,700 net sellers. Who the freak are they drawing in with this crap? Seriously. Come on, break over. Let's go. Breakdown. Got to get below 73 to start anything backwards. 73. There we go. 75. Come on, sellers. Hit them hard. Hit them hard. I'd like 42 as a target one. All right, guys. Another bot trade on the NASDAQ. NASDAQ is this. Okay. That brought it, NASDAQ was up over $2,000. That just brought it down to $1,185. Got a break, small support at 60. I'm wanting 41 and then 32 is what I'm hoping for. This is just really silly. NASDAQ is holding support at 68. Got to break below 68 and we'll get VWAP again. Otherwise, we have some resistance at 95. If we break below 68, we have support at 51. 5,700 sellers. What in the holy hell are we doing up here? Seriously. Tell me what we're doing up here. It's just not. ES got target one on the bot. It's bizarre. And I have a frozen diamond. There we go. We're going to 35. We're going to 35. All right, guys. We're going to 35. ES got both targets on the bot. $7.07. We're at $7.14. I mean, NASDAQ's free and clear to 35, guys. It's free and clear to 35. And then 40. Those Microsoft calls printing like a bandit. Printing like a bandit. At 62.30, which is gap fill. Take some more off. Leave a couple as runners if you're trading multiples. $62.30 on Microsoft. Another 50 cents. Take some off. This is just freaking bizarre. Job number misses by a mile. Apple, Microsoft, Google miss. And we're going up. I mean, are they really going to speculate that the Fed is going to pivot? Are you kidding me? There's 35. Above 35, we get 47. Above 35, we get 47. ES is going to get that 70. There's some 60-minute resistance here. It's not a lot. They bought 629 in the previous bar. They've got 500, almost 600. Guys, this is I in no way. If somebody tells me this is what they expected, I got to call you a liar. Who expected this? Now they got longs tucked in. Who expected this? Seriously. You're wrong, Robert. You're wrong. Something filled a one. ES again. ES got target one on the bot, guys. Okay, so tell me what that says to you. Tell me what that says to you, Robert. What does that say to you? But what does that mean? I want you to think it through. What does it mean? Okay, let's go with that. ES pulling back, short ES back to 50. Short ES back to 50. We are at 7,900 net sellers, guys. Who do you think is buying this? Anybody want to take a stab at it? $22. Now it'll probably trigger on the news. My targets targets are 90, 97 and 32. Expected at 50.5. I mean, that would have given targets on minis. You guys take the 22? Got 50 ticks. Nice. Yeah, but you had an ATM on. Yeah, that's why I'm trading it with micros, guys. I mean, this is ridiculous. But even trading micros, I'm at 248. What's our daily goal on a funded account? What's our daily goal? Guess I'm at 307. Apparently, I had a contract on still. $300. 300. That's our daily goal once you get funded, right? $300 until you get over 2,500 again. So you go to 50,000. Once you get to 52.5, we can increase that goal, right? So I'm done trading. I'm done trading this account. How is it I have a DOM that's frozen and not the other one? Can somebody tell me that? All right, so let me go to that funded account. Now I'll trade another funded account. Guys, if you think I like trading micros and making $300 when I can make 1,000, you're mistaken. But I also know that if you guys follow the plan, you will not blow up funded accounts. Follow the plan, fellas. Follow the plan. Be the man, Stan. Be the man. You guys want to get paid out? Follow the plan. I'm just changing both DOMs, guys. One which continually freezes on me like a chooch face. All right, guys, we held 240 minute support at 70. ES is going back up. Gold is back down to 87. I have nowhere on gold to get in. Let me take a look at it. You're welcome, Brett. Have a good weekend, man. We'll see you Monday. Gold. Yeesh. All right, so let's take a look at the instrument that is never wrong. Take a look at bonds, guys, and tell me if you think the market's going higher. Take a look at bonds. Look at the 30-year and the 10-year bond. Yields are rising, bonds are selling off. Okay, take a look at the VIX. VIX is rising. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think, fellas. Whoop, I took that off. That's the wrong down. You think we're going up? We're coming down. We're coming down to 32 on the NASDAQ. 32. You can sell micros, guys. Bonds are selling off very quickly. Very quickly. First target for me is 57. Target one is 57. Call it 58. Call it 59. We need to drop below, man, we just came to 71. We need to get below 71. Yeah, I just don't like zero DTEs, man. I'm done with that zero DTE stuff. I've made a shit ton of money on them and I've lost money on them. I'm done with zero DTEs. Unless you're going to buy them for Monday or Wednesday of next week. They're fun when you make 15, 20 grand in a day. They're not fun when you lose 10 or 12,000 on a trade. Hang on, guys. Target number one, fellas. I'm at 58 for target number one. And I have a frozen dom again. So I guess I'm just going to play the game. I would add two more in at 68. Or a move up to 15. Look at this chooch. Seriously, chump. No buyers here, guys. 8,300 net sellers on the day. $8,300. We ain't not going up. We really need to get down below that 70. If we bust below 70, I'm going to get my target. I'll get targets. My final target is 33. As you can see, my dom is frozen, so I have no earthly idea. Got to break 70. Held it again, guys. This is your support. That goes, we goes. Here we go. Got a dom at work. 70 broke. Oh, come on, rat bag. Come on, rat bag. 9,400 net sellers. If you think we're going long, I think you guys are bananas. I think wholesale is just blowing out. Blowing out. Oh, now you want to work? Scumbag. And nope, they don't want to work long. Volatility's too high. I would add 2 at 23 if it goes there. Guys, that 70 area is 240-minute support. That's why it's holding. Maybe not anymore. It still is 240-minute. Let me look at a bigger time frame chart. Nah, it should come to 52. Let me adjust hourlies. Hourly resistance is 33. There is some support at 43. Now we've got, that is resistance. I'm not even running my NASDAQ bot anymore. There's no point. It's made so much damn money. Oh, you're running, yeah. Oh, you mean, oh, okay, on a funded account. Guys, we got to get below 70. We're consolidating here on 24 buyers, okay? Now 58 buyers, 9,300 net sellers. Let them play. I'll add at 23 and 36. So if we go up to 23, I'll add 2. No, that's 1. I don't think we go to 23, but if we do, I'll add it in. If this breaks here, I'm going to get my first target. Still holding. Go ahead and hold. It's an inside bar on a 5-minute. If you guys are, annoyed or anxious, you can always take small profits. Guys, this would be impossible to trade right now with minis and a fixed stop. You'd get bashed 9,700 times. I don't mind losing a few $100 on micros, but minis would kill us right now. Go get that 23. This will bring my cost way up. Okay, I'm filled. So my average cost is, I don't even know. I don't even know what my average cost is here, fellas. Looks like 08. 500 buyers here. Let them run it. That's why I'm trading micros, man. I mean, I'm only down $250. It's one trade when this market settles down later. If it doesn't come down, it doesn't come down. Hell, I got 4. I don't even have half a contract on yet. You can get my targets. I hold for targets. And I'm out. And I'm out. Now I got work to do. Let them break out, guys. Let them break out. This is absurd. We could go 860, which is 825 is a target, guys. 825, if you can believe it. $8.25 is a target. Even 860. Looks like 823. Crude. Let me look at crude. What in the holy hell? Crude is pushing up through that resistance. I mean, they all are. Unbelievable. Really. Next 10-minute bar in 38 seconds. Pull back to 61 maybe. Then below 43, this could come 12. This could be another push here. Get through 92. That's kind of the push right there. There we go. Come on. Come on. Get back up through 800. We're pushing a pivot at 806. Get back above 800 and then this can push again, which I think it will. $1,300 sellers here in this block, guys. They bought 2,700. They're sold back half of that, and they're not moving this price anywhere. Back above 800, I think this can go 25. Opening range high will be support now at 56. Come on. Hate when my charts are frozen. This has to push up here, 800, and then 804. 806 is the pivot. So above 806. Above 806, you're going to get 25. Right there. Above 806, you get 25. Seven minutes to the next 15-minute bar. Yesterday's close was 850. So you got a shot at yesterday's close. But that 806 is the key. If you wanted to try the long, it would be, call it 805, right below, just below where it breaks, 805. Because if we get up here again, it should break. It's tagged it twice, 3 times. That would be your entry, 5. We get one clean candle through and it's buzzed. I can tell it'll hit the high of the day again and go. There you go. It's gone. If you took the 805, you just buzzed them like a bat out of hell. 25 would be target 1. If anybody is long, 25 would be a target 1. Let's call it 23. I'll hit close first. Come on, give me one more extension. Come on, give me 23. Come on, buddy. Get ready to take profits, guys, from 05. Come on, buddy. There we go. Buy them up. Hit the high of the day again. Let's go. There we go. Come on, 23 target. Come on. Come on, 23. All right, one off at 23. You guys good? Now we're in fuego. In fuego. Anybody, you guys good? Fellas? I gave you the entry, 05. All right, I'm flat. I'm flat. Watch the end of the day, Robert. Watch the end of the day. I've explained this to you guys 30 minutes ago, and Robert, I've explained it to you many times, along with the rest of the groups, in order flow. You're trying to rationalize instead of understanding what you're seeing. You're trying to, what you're doing is you're expressing an opinion, which is a false opinion. Okay? You are saying the delta is negative and we're up. How is that happening? Okay. So, first of all, who's selling? I've explained this to you guys before. I'll say it again for your benefit. Wholesale, that's market makers, they cannot sell on the way down. They sell on the way up. Retail, which are the sheep, are the ones buying this market. I don't know why. I guess they assume that at some point Powell is going to pivot. I promise you they're going to lose their underwear. Okay? They're going to lose their shirts. That's how it's designed. It's designed for all of us to lose our money. Okay? So you're not understanding. You're trying to rationalize, how are we rising? Okay, well, look at your order flow. Look at the buyers. Buyers came in at 10.13 and 10.17, 10.14 and 10.17. Did they not? Here and here. Okay? They run it up, then they sell 1,300. Who do you think the sellers are? They buy 329, they sell another 850. Who do you think is selling? I'm asking you a question and you're refusing to answer. I want you to think this through and answer so I can correct you if you're wrong. Wholesale is selling into retail. The only guy that understands this apparently is Floyd. and myself. Let them run this up. At the end of the day, they're going to bury these guys. They're going to bury them. Once we get rid of Europe in 1 hour, Europe's going to hold the bag. I give up, Robert. I give up, man. God, I mean, as they would say in the South, bless your heart. I give up. I've explained it. If you don't accept the explanation, then you don't. That's cool. I get it. Listen, you have an opinion, right? You have an opinion because what you're seeing with price rising doesn't compute in the 6 inches of gray matter between your ears. How in the fudge can price go up on a negative delta? I mean, they're sellers. Well, you are falsely presuming that there are no buyers. You are falsely presuming that. There are buyers here. The buyers are the idiots like you and I. We're the fools. The market makers are selling on this move up. So when buyers come in, like in those 2 candles I showed you, 3,000 net buyers over 6 minutes, and then price goes up, the very next 3-minute block, 1,300 contracts get sold. Now, do you presume that somebody bought in that candle at 750 and sold it at 770? Maybe you do. I don't know. Watch what happens. I'm trying to tell you, you have to have an understanding and accept the fact that wholesale, Citadel et al., they're not here to help you. They want your money. This is former President Obama's utopia. Transference of wealth. Okay? You got it. You had it. Somebody else got it. If you can't understand the basics, how are you going to trade? I mean, you can scalp. But at the end of the day, all of these sellers, this is largely retail getting the hell out of stocks or getting out of positions. We cannot go up on 9,300 net sellers. We cannot. Who carries the market? Guys like you and I buying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 contracts? Or market makers selling? I give up. I give up with you, Robert. Some guys just like to argue, man. Some guys just love to argue. I apologize, but you have exhausted and exasperated my patience and my tolerance. I give up with you. Then what you should do is go long, because that's apparently where you think we're headed. Although we've just sold off from 830 down to 760, so let's call it 75 points. Okay, now they'll go another round. Well, listen, you're saying it doesn't make sense, but you're not accepting the explanation. You're not accepting the explanation. You're not saying, okay, let me try to see it from that point of view. So let me get this straight. We're rising on a negative delta, which increases, then decreases. Okay? So I'm a market maker, and you're a retail guy. Figure there's retail guys globally. And all the retail guys are buying and selling. and I'm a market maker, and I want to get out of stuff, right? I want to get out of positions. How do I get out of a position? I can't let price fall through the floor. I got to carry you guys. It's kind of like Mike Tyson fighting me, and the money's on Tyson breaking my skull the fuck open in the 6th round. You think he's going to knock my teeth out in the 1st round? Nah, he's going to carry me a little. Got to get to the 6th round to make my money. It's the same concept. The market makers are allowing retail traders to believe that this market's going up. They're buying, see you, Nolan. They're buying, they're taking your stock in, they're selling, and when the price moves up, they blast 1,000 contracts. And price moves back a little. Do you understand? They'll run it up a little, they'll sell more positions. Guys, listen, when you look at a stock like Tesla, which 4 weeks ago was $100, give or take. Until this moment in my life, I've never wanted to commit. I mean, do you think this is like Mama's Fool? This guy was licking windows on the short bus. You got a 308 contract block seller, or 308 contracts sold at 825, right? 12,825 and a quarter, of which one block alone was probably my buddy Greg, sold 197 contracts. Somebody sold 197 contracts. Okay? That is not a retail trader. That is not a retail trader. So, do we know if that's a net sell? Meaning somebody went short there? We don't. We have no way of knowing. What we do know is someone big took profits for some reason at 825, or potentially initiated a short into this. Here's another 50. Okay. Here's a 185 and a 102 with a 50 block. You understand, guys? Somebody big either initiated a short or got the hell out of the longs, right? Now, I could probably go back and find those trades. All right, so look. That was 825. Here's a 389 seller, probably the same guy, at 800 with a 136 block. So again, either somebody initiated a short, maybe added into it at 825, or got out of a long. Big size, 136. That is not a retail trader. And then, Robert, if you say, how do you know? I'm going to jump out my office window. Here's another sell, 356 at 90 with a 75. I'm just looking, guys, we're looking for block. Look at this, 291 with a 210. Here's a 210 block. This is retail unloading, or wholesale unloading. You cannot sell 210s, 197s, 300s into a falling market. You would drive the market lower quicker. There would be a liquidity vacuum, right? Bids would get pulled. We could be at 850 and I try to sell 500 contracts and we're going to be at 710. Who's buying them? You guys, do you understand? Here's another 61 and 73, probably the same person. 2 blocks. There's a 180 buyer, and that could be the guy that got out at 800 or 25. I don't know. There's a 180 buyer, right? I'm looking for size. $86, that's not impressive. You start seeing 200s, 150s, that's key. Guys, anybody have any questions? I'm here all week, fellas. I'm here all week. I'm telling you, gold is easier to trade. Crude is easier to trade. NASDAQ right now, wait till you get rid of Europe if you guys are going to play around. I've traded 2 PA accounts. One is up 214. I'm not going to get to trade the other one. Well, one is up 214 and the other one is up 307. So here are 2 PA. Come on, I can't move it. There we go. 307.50 and 214. Absolutely does, Sam. Don't let anybody tell you it doesn't. They'd be lying. NASDAQ is now basically flat on the day, as is the ES. Anybody have any questions? No, I'll go over it again in order flow class on Monday. $200 away, Ryan, from getting funded. We're pushing the close from yesterday, so careful here. Anybody that bought that Microsoft calls, guys, you got gap fill. That was a big trade. That was a very big trade. All right, guys. Oh, NASDAQ is insane. All right, so this is all right, so here are your totals, guys. For those of you guys that are on trial, let's do this. Here. NQ today is plus 1185. ES is plus 412.50. Crude 0, did no trades today. YM minus $90. And gold, first day I've traded it, plus, and then I'm going to give you totals, plus 1620. For members, I'll have that gold bot added. Please don't email me for settings. Okay. So week. Okay. And then natural gas, no trades today. And I'll give you the week total on that, and I'll give you the bot total, guys. Okay. So here's what we got. Bear with me 1 second. 1 second, fellas. Should have had this prepared for you. Okay. All right. So let's do natural gas first because that'll be the easiest. Plus 950 for the week. Okay. NASDAQ was down 675. So 1185 minus, it's up $500 for the week. Nothing. ES was up 2687 for the week. 2687 plus 41250, 3099.50. CL took no trades today. For the week, CL is up 1960 for the week. And YM was down 90 bucks. YM was up 890 on the week. 800 bucks on the week. Okay. Here's your totals, fellas. Got 500, 309, call it 3,100 just for simplicity. 1960, 800, 1620, 950. For the week. There you go, guys. If you guys are here on trial, if you have any questions, please ask. But that is pretty impressive for the week. Pretty impressive. $8,900 week on the bots. Now that is double our weekly average. But nonetheless, you're going to have weeks where it does. And I do have an extra 1620 in there with gold, which only traded today. But regardless, if anybody that's here on trial has any interest in joining